Hello guys, welcome to our channel Math Magic. Today's question is how to solve 500 to the power 500 divided by 250 to the power 250. So let's see. Equals to 500 to the power 500 can be written as 500 to the power 250 plus 250 divided by 250 to the power 250 as it is, equals to C1 formula a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. From this formula we can write that 500 to the power 250 into 500 to the power 250 divided by 250 to the power 250. So here 500 to the power 250 divided by 250 to the power 250 into 500 to the power 250. See one more formula, a to the power m by b to the power m equals to a by b whole to the power m. Here equals to 500 by 250 whole to the power 250 into 500 to the power 250 as it is. 500 by 250 becomes 2 and to the power 250 into 500 to the power 250. So one more formula, a to the power m into b to the power m equals to ab whole to the power m equals to 2 into 500 whole to the power 250. 2 into 500 becomes 1000 whole to the power 250. 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3 whole to the power 250. And see one more formula, a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power m into n equals to 10 to the power 3 into 250 equals to 10 to the power 750. This is the answer, guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.